Is the text tool in Pixlr not working? Maybe you can't add new text, existing text won't edit, or nothing appears when you type. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Pixlr text tool problems in 2026 with several simple solutions. So let's get started. First, check that you've selected the correct text layer. If another layer is active, Pixlr may not allow you to edit the text you want. Next, try creating a brand new text layer. Sometimes an individual layer becomes corrupted, while a new layer works normally. If your text color matches the background, it may look like the text tool isn't working at all. Change the text color to something highly visible and test again. Very small font sizes can make text difficult to see. Increase the font size and check whether the text appears on the canvas. Make sure the text layer is visible. If the visibility icon is disabled, the text will exist but won't appear on the canvas. If the text layer is locked, editing may be restricted. Look for a lock icon and unlock the layer before trying again. Temporary editor glitches can affect text tools. Refresh the page, reopen your project, and test the text tool again. Yeah, sometimes a quick refresh is all it takes. Corrupted browser data can interfere with Pixlr features. Clear your cache and cookies, restart your browser, and then return to Pixlr. Some browser extensions can interfere with web-based editing tools. Temporarily disable extensions and see if the text tool starts working again. If the problem continues, open Pixlr in another browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari may handle editor functions differently. I mean, this is often the fastest way to identify a browser-specific issue, and that's how to fix the Pixlr text tool not working in 2026. Most issues are caused by hidden layers, incorrect settings, browser problems, or temporary editor glitches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.